job, Lauren. So first, does everyone have their name on there?
Yes.
Okay. So first what we're going to do is look at the top under your name. It says transition, and that's in a big bold. Transition words are phrases or words that help make clear connections between ideas and that ensure that sentences and paragraphs flow together smoothly, making them easier to read. So what are transitions? Are they, what does it say up there? What do they do up top? It says transitions, Maya?
Connect ideas.
Good job, you guys. So they connect ideas. It makes it easier when you're talking or you're reading. It makes it go with the flow. It tells things of where and when and how something happens, okay? So what we're going to do is read Miss Nelson is missing. Shane, you're going to hold the book up, okay? And let everyone see the pictures, okay? And I'll hold the pictures up over here. We're going to read through this, and you guys pay attention to the story. Listen carefully to the events, okay? You guys ready?
Yes.
The witch. Okay, so we're going to talk about what happened in the story. Can you guys tell me what happened first? What happened in the story? How did it start? Lauren?
All the kids were misbehaving.
All of the kids were misbehaving. And then what happened after all the kids were misbehaving? What happened?
Miss Nelson left.
Miss Nelson left. And then what happened after Miss Nelson left?
She put on her costume.
She put on her costume.
And then,
And what else?
witch came to school to teach the kids.
Miss Viola Swamp came. Were the kids good?
Yes.
Were the kids good when Miss Viola Swamp came?
Yes.
Yes. So Miss Viola Swamp came, so then the kids were behaving.
Why does she have
A long nose or a long chin? Yeah. Maybe because Miss Nelson wanted to make her look like a witch.
Then how did she make it?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Maybe she put stuffing in it.
Maybe, or she had a mask on. Yeah? Okay, so let's talk about after Miss Viola Swamp came. Shane, after Miss Viola Swamp came and the kids were behaving, then what happened? What's the third thing that happened, the last thing?
Miss Nelson came back.
Miss Nelson, good job.
And then all the kids were good.
And all the kids were good. Good job, you guys. Miss Nelson.
I want to see the witch. The witch is on the back here.
And the kids behave.
Oh, there's the last page to it too.
Can you guys tell me who was in the story? Lauren?
What's her name?
The witch, Miss Viola Swamp?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to put Miss V Swamp. Who else was in it? Shane?
Miss Nelson?
Miss Nelson. So, and Miss Nelson and Miss Viola Swamp are the same people, so we'll put a little slash. And who else? Jackson?
The kids.
The kids. And where are all these people? Where is it happening?
Oh, school.
At school. At school. And is this happening when? Is it happening during the day? During the day? During the day. Okay, can you guys tell me what the problem was in the story?
They couldn't find Miss Nelson.
Couldn't find Miss Nelson. Was there any other problems?
Yes, Miss Nelson.
Ashley?
Miss Nelson, all the kids in her class were acting out.
That's a good point. So let's see, children in the class Why were they behaving now? Maya, do you know? Why were the kids behaving?
Because
Because
she came back.
she came back? Did they miss her?
Yes.
What do you think they learned? What do you think they learned when they had Miss Viola's swamp? Miss Viola's swamp said, no hour story time. You guys can't have any more fun. What did they learn? Shane?
To be quiet.
Oh, to be quiet. Children learn to be quiet. Good job. So how transitions work is they connect ideas. So we can say Miss Swamp and Nelson and the kids at school during the day. The problem in the story was that couldn't find Miss Nelson. The children in classroom were misbehaving. So the first thing that happens was all the kids were misbehaving, right? Good job, Jackson. So second, Miss Nelson left.
She put on her.
What does that say? What did she put on?